day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. It is 2:30 and 46 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, epigenetics and cancer. So let's jump to it here. A known environmental hazard can change the epigenetics of cells. Date November 2nd, 2023. Source, Joseph Harris, Leukemia Research Institute. An international team of researchers has discovered that formaldehyde, a widely spread pollutant and common metabolite in our body, interferes in the epigenetic programming of the cell. This finding expands the knowledge of formaldehyde, previously considered only as a DNA mutagen, and helps establishing a further link with cancer. Epigenetics, the chemical mechanisms that controls the activity of genes, allows our cells, tissues, and organs to adapt to the changing circumstances of the environment around us. This advantage can become a drawback, though, as this epigenetic regulation can be more easily altered by toxins than the more stable genetic sequence of the DNA. The scientific investigators and microbiologists demonstrate that the substance called formaldehyde, commonly present in various household and cosmetic products, in polluted air, and widely used in construction, is a powerful modifier of normal epigenetic patterns. The research has focused on investigating the effects of high concentrations of formaldehyde in the body. The substance has already been associated with an increased risk of developing cancer, nasopharyngeal tumors, and leukemia, hepatic degeneration due to fatty liver, steatosis, and asthma. The researchers point out that this is relevant because formaldehyde enters our body mainly during our breathing, and because it dissolves well in the aqueous medium, it ends up reaching all the cells of our body. And this substance is especially concentrated in various products used in construction, furniture manufacturing, the textile industry, and some hair products. The researchers stress this vision, pointing out that formaldehyde is not only a significant environmental hazard, often found in polluted fumes, but can also be generated within our bodies through the metabolism of common dietary substances like the seawater, aspartame. Moreover, our cells are continually producing formaldehyde, a known mutagen that can lead to cancer. Researchers point out that they have discovered that formaldehyde is an inhibitor of the MAT1A protein, which is a main producer of S-adenosyl L-methionine, and the last molecule is a universal donor of the chemical group methyl that regulates epigenetic activity. And specifically, they found that exposure to formaldehyde induced a reduction in S-adenosyl and L-methionine content and caused a loss of methylation of histones, proteins that package our DNA and control the function of thousands of genes. Altogether, this work reveals an even more concerning aspect of formaldehyde's toxicity. They've discovered that formaldehyde has the capacity to modify the epigenetic landscape of our cells, which may contribute to the well-documented carcinogenic properties of formaldehyde. The epigenetic changes caused by the toxic agent could directly contribute to the origin of the mentioned diseases beyond its known mutagenic properties. The scientific investigators inform that international health authorities are already restricting the use of formaldehyde as much as possible, but there are still areas of work where high levels of it are used, such as the manufacture of resins, the production of plastic, industrial foundries, or the cosmetic industry. In addition, it also originates during the combustion of automobile gasoline and the tobacco smoke. Thus, environmental and health policies aimed at reducing our exposure to the characterized substance should be promoted. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.